more than 10 white people in the looting. Please count. Ne? If you've seen more than 10 white people looting amongst Tina Banye, ne? Please tell me, because then you'll understand the problem that we have in this country. President, he's not a leader. You understand? He comes on here, he's not even telling us what's going on. He's not even addressing it. He's not even what. You know, he's telling us what the families, Tina, the way we have been remote controlled, what the families are telling him to say. You know, he's telling those people, those people are telling him what to say because he's already sold us. He does not care about us. He's telling us it's barbaric acts and all those. Nani on top of that, if there's more than 10 people that you've seen, whites looting, Indians looting, more than 10, please do me a favor. Please, with pride, come on and do it and whatnot. Then it's fine. Then I'll sit down. But that alone should tell you what there's a problem in this country. Yabo? And I mean, I'll talk out the truth, and I'll forever talk out the truth. And nobody's going to stop me from talking out the truth, because I am from those people at the bottom. I started at the bottom. It was those same people that helped me come back up. It was those same people that started with me years ago. It's those same people. I'm 36 years in the industry.